Hi guys, to another video on Tyrone. Today, well yesterday I think actually, we got an update where like pretty much improved the graphics, which I don't really get or like totally agree with. Because mostly what they did with most of the terrain is just add some stone things, just sometimes. One of the creators of the game literally just went around the map with the stone tool and literally just dabbled some stone all around the map. And some of it just looks weird for real. Yeah, but there's some new things. There's like a robbery bonus with like literally any robbery that you do, get a little bonus for it for real. You can get 0 cash, or like you can get like some money, or you can get like this hyperchrome like car paint skin, car skin. But more importantly, there's actually a new limited car, and I definitely have enough money for it. It is quite expensive, I must add. I'm sorry, it's my computer, I don't know why, but for the past like 2 months it hasn't been having the best connection. Or whatever, not saying. But yeah, I know. So that here it is, the snake. There we go. As I said, I have bad connection right now. Oh. Mouse has disappeared. But yeah, also, there's a new monster truck design on. I think it's quite cool. The old design was kind of locky, I guess, but kind of miss the old one now. And yeah, they added two new seats as well. Yeah, it looks better, I guess. Anyway, so for the main thing about this update is this new car. And hopefully it works. And hopefully it doesn't take my money and just doesn't give me the car, because it might do that. Because as you can clearly see that my connection isn't having its best day. It's just lying down right now.
3 hours later. Three hours later.
There we go. Alright. So here it is. 2 seats. I don't know, that looks like a McLaren. I don't know which one it is. It's one of the more expensive ones, I know for sure. The old McLaren was retired, I think. 3 seats. That one was McLaren, right? Yeah. So let's buy it and see how it performs. Okay. So for luck that this thing works. Okay. I don't know. It might take 2 minutes for it to give me my car. I said it. That's quite a lot of money actually for real. But you know me, I love to buy limited cars. You got my one right there. You got my MCL 36. Oh, did that happen? Finally, okay. So what we're saying, it does look quite cool in the interior, quite a lot of detail. Oh, okay. It's worked, it worked. Okay. Let's ignore them people. And let's start driving. By oof ED. Okay, the handling is my favorite, but I haven't put my spit on it. Oh, it does lose quite a lot of speed when you turn. Alright, let's put my level 5 engine on. Let's hope that it should be faster than this for real. Man, that cost me a lot for real. There we go. Let's look now. Oh, okay. Now it's working. I don't want this to flip over, because if this car flips over, man, it literally takes 3 minutes, a little bit less, but to get back up, right? So, ooh, yeah. This car is quite good. It's around the same speed as the F1. But I was wishing it would be a little bit faster. Alright, let me just do a little speed test. It's around. I can go faster. Over here, that's gonna be nice. Jeez. Around 230, I think. I don't know how I did that. Let's go to police and see how it stacks up. It's gonna be really hard to get anyone though, for real. Ooh, it's a little baby kind of thing. So I need. Oh, well, it was 500 before. I mean, it's quite a lot of people, but with my lowered performance rate, I don't know if I can do this. I tried to catch some criminals. Oh yeah. Ooh. Hold on. I think he got some. There's some set black. I don't know if you can get rid of that. For promise to post more. Obviously, Sanitarium has been a year now. Over a year. It's July 2nd or 1st. I completed it late June, I think, last year. So hopefully I'll be able to find the time, probably after my exams. It's only like a week and a half from now till it's complete, but yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you found the review of the car helpful. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.